Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy English Talk, where learning English is simple, calm, and enjoyable. I'm Rahul.
And I'm Emma. We're very happy to have you with us today. How are you feeling today, Rahul?
I'm feeling good, Emma. I feel relaxed and positive. How about you?
I feel great too, and I'm excited about today's topic.
Yes, today we're going to talk about healthy habits.
Healthy habits are small actions we do every day to take care of our body and mind.
That's right. Healthy habits are not difficult, but they are very important.
Before we begin, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Easy English Talk.
Your support helps us a lot. Thank you for learning with us.
Rahul, when you hear the words healthy habits, what do you think about first?
I think about eating good food and exercising.
Yes, those are very common healthy habits.
I also think about sleeping well and drinking enough water.
That's a good point. Healthy habits are not only about food and exercise.
Yes, they are also about rest, sleep, and mental health.
Exactly. A healthy life is about balance.
Balance between work and rest.
Balance between activity and relaxation. Let's start with eating habits. Rahul, do you try to eat healthy food?
Yes, I try. I don't eat perfectly, but I try my best.
That's very honest. No one eats perfectly all the time.
I try to eat fruits and vegetables every day.
That's a great habit. Fruits and vegetables give us vitamins.
Yes, I also try to avoid too much fast food.
Fast food is tasty, but eating it every day is not good for our body.
That's true. I eat fast food sometimes, but not often.
That's a healthy balance.
I also try to eat at the right time.
Eating on time helps our digestion.
Yes, when I skip meals, I feel tired.
Same here. Regular meals help us feel energetic. Another important habit is drinking water.
Yes, many people forget to drink enough water.
That's true. Water helps our body work properly.
I try to drink water when I wake up in the morning.
That's a very good habit.
It helps me feel fresh and awake.
I keep a water bottle near me during the day.
That's smart. It reminds you to drink water.
Now let's talk about exercise.
Exercise is very important, but many people think it is hard.
Yes, but exercise does not mean going to the gym every day.
That's right. Simple movement is also exercise.
For example, walking.
Yes, walking for 20 or 30 minutes is very healthy.
I like walking in the morning or evening.
I enjoy walking too. It helps clear my mind.
Some people like yoga or stretching.
Stretching is very good, especially in the morning.
It helps our body feel flexible.
Exercise also improves our mood.
Yes, it helps reduce stress. Rahul, let's talk about sleep.
Sleep is very important for health.
Yes, without good sleep, our body feels weak.
I try to sleep at the same time every night.
That's a great habit.
When I sleep late, I feel tired the next day.
Same here. A regular sleep routine helps a lot.
I also try not to use my phone before sleeping.
That's very healthy. Phone screens can disturb sleep.
Instead, I listen to calm music or read.
That's a wonderful habit. Healthy habits are also about mental health.
Yes, mental health is just as important as physical health.
How do you take care of your mind, Rahul?
I take short breaks when I feel stressed.
That's very important.
I also try to stay positive.
That can be difficult sometimes.
Yes, but small positive thoughts help.
I like to practice gratitude.
That's a great habit.
I think about things I am thankful for.
That helps us feel happier.
Talking to friends also helps mental health.
Yes, sharing feelings is very healthy.
Let's talk about unhealthy habits.
One common habit is too much phone usage.
Yes, many people spend hours on their phones.
Too much screen time can make us tired.
And it affects sleep.
I try to limit my phone time.
That's a smart habit.
I also avoid eating late at night.
That's good for digestion.
Healthy habits are also about what we avoid.
Exactly. Rahul, some people want to change everything at once.
Yes, but that can be difficult.
Healthy habits should start small.
One habit at a time.
Small steps are easier to follow.
And they last longer.
Consistency is more important than perfection.
That's a very important message.
Now, let's practice some useful words from today's conversation.
Word 1. Habit. Something you do regularly. Example, drinking water is a healthy habit.
Word 2. Balance. Keeping things equal and healthy. Example, balance between work and rest is important.
Word 3. Exercise. Physical activity for health. Example, walking is good exercise.
Word 4. Stress. A feeling of pressure or worry. Example, exercise helps reduce stress.
Word 5. Consistent. Doing something regularly. Example, be consistent with healthy habits.
Now let's practice speaking together.
Please repeat after me. I try to live a healthy life.
I try to eat healthy food every day.
I eat healthy food and exercise well.
I exercise and sleep well.
Small habits make a big difference.
Excellent work. Keep practicing.
Now it's your turn.
What is one healthy habit you want to start?
Write your answer in the comments.
One simple sentence is enough.
Thank you for listening to Easy English Talk.
We hope today's conversation inspired you.
Remember, healthy habits are built slowly.
Be kind to yourself and keep going.
Please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Easy English Talk.
See you in the next episode.
Take care and stay healthy.
Bye-bye.